Hi everyone, I'm putting the shelves in my Sprinter van and I have some tips for you how to make it, how to save a space, how to make a shelves big enough and still be able to put something in the back of a van like a plywood, plasterboards, whatever, timber. So let's check it now. So I'm in a Sprinter. Just show you what's the story. 2 seconds now. So basically, we are making now the shelves. The shelves are wide enough to put the stuff in, and down the bottom, you see there's a curve here a little bit. Not curve, basically a little bit shorter, nearly the same width as the wheel arch. So you can put a plywood into here. You can put good few sheets in here, like what's probably gonna be 20 sheets of plywood, depends what size, what thickness. So I'm gonna make the shelves now all the way and leaving this gap down below. Before you're putting the plywood on a wall, if you mark where is the metal studs, whatever you call them, so then you can get them in like. Another tip as well, how I was had a question of how to get this in level, because you can measure, the size of a Sprinter is going this way, so you can't really measure from wall and try to get the thing. So why did I got my Sprinter on level. It's perfect on level. I use a jack to jack it up one side to level inlay, and then of course when you have a floor level, then you can get this one level as well, So one of the tips. Okay, let's go. Well, that's all finished now, so as you see now, here and here there's plenty space for the plaster boards, and still have a nice shelves in it. Workbench containing 2mm plywood, top shelf.